Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix key not detected in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster and the Porsche Cayman. So this message usually appears when the vehicle can't communicate properly with your key fob. So first of all, make sure that the key is inside of the car and not blocked by a metal object, electronic device, or a low signal location like a backpack or a glove box. I usually just put it right here. A weak key battery is one of the most common causes. Replace the battery inside of your key fob and try again. If the car still doesn't detect the key, place it near the emergency start location, usually close to the steering column or center console. Then press the start button and then normally the car should start up. A weak vehicle battery can also cause detection issues. If you notice multiple warning lights or slow electronics, have the battery checked. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.